Hiya folks, Lone Wolf here and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're just approaching into Knockin and we're going to have a little run out. Destination is going to be Lake Bala, or Bala, and the lake there. I haven't been this year yet, and I thought while the weather's trying to hold, I'll try and get up here for a couple of hours. So stay tuned and we'll look at some scenery and hopefully end up at Bala at some point. Right, so as I say, I've just hit Knockin. We've got about an hour's run now. Well, as you say, an hour? Not quite. It's the lovely part of the world, the part I love to ride. If you don't get T-boned by some pillock. So we've just gone through towards Knockin. Missed the town centre out. But on the B4396, that's the B4396. It's quite a primary route, to be fair. So I should imagine it's going to be quite busy. Once we get to the to Bala, I'm going to try and have a ride towards around the lake, because I've never done what you would sort of circumvent the lake. I've just actually rode to the town centre and then I've either gone on somewhere or come back a different way. So we'll just see what happens today, I think. It says we've got 51 mile to do. Oh, 39 mile, 30 mile. I can't say, can I? 30 mile, 51 minutes. So I'll come back to you when we get some decent scenery. Got the size of that hill in front. Langinog, where's that? Or Laninog. A lot of caravan parks there. A quite little village. Cafe. It might be worth calling it on the way back. Cyclist means we're going up some hills. at that down there. I don't really can see it through the trees. Beautiful. And when the sun's shining, it just makes everything better, doesn't it? Cattle grid sheep territory. Yeah, I have done this route before. It's the other way you can come out of Lake Burnley to it, main dragway. Whereas the other one is that side of the mountain, the B road, the tiny road. Look at that, beautiful. There's a place to stop up here. I might stop, get a bit of a picture. I think I did this one of the last times I did this, a few years back. It was misty. I was trying to film it and it was just low mist everywhere. That's stunning, ain't it, down there? Look at that. Might be observation point up here. Yeah, there, I missed it. Never mind. Beautiful, look at that. It's hard to see, I suppose, on this type of camera, but you can actually see. Lots of snow down here. Sit over the grid. I can run down now into Bala itself. Where's the hairpin? This is the rundown now into Bala. I do get the impression that you can't feel the road through the tyres, I must admit, compared to what you could on the Pilot 60s that I used to have. You never know how much grip you've quite got, front end especially. Yeah, there's a road here that goes round the lake, I reckon. Penny Bond. Caravan Park. This one. So there we are, Lake Bala. I did try to get my drone up, but it's too windy. And I sure as hell ain't losing it in this lake. Way too far to go and swim for it. But I went over there to the left where you can see. All down there. All the way around. Which is probably on the video. And I was going to stop in the town and have a bite to eat, but it's really busy. Not a lot of car parking spaces. So what I'm going to do is have a ride back and try and check out that little cafe that I found on the way here. So we'll see. Maybe successful, may not. It's a pity, I really wanted to get my drone up and have a good session on there. Yeah, but it ain't gonna happen. So there's no point in faffing around. So goodbye Lake Bala, we'll go back over the hill so we can find that calf that we zoomed past, and if we can stop there. You never know, we've got another village here. 20. It's on the corner. Ah, there's a policeman, look. What might have been here? Morning, officer. Clever. Got a spray gun in his hand. Maybe not. Oh, push the brake for stop. So we stopped off at Aoocci, or Aoocci as it's called now, Churchstoke, and then we're having to run back out. A bit late, missing walk from Gamad, don't know, but we're riding the weekend, so I'm going to fill my boots today out. So I've spent too much time sat in the house watching the rain. great road, eh? Especially when the roads are dry. No crap. Was going great till I dropped on these 3 cars here. It's nice to be out, eh? Anyway, I'll wrap it up at some point. So I hope you enjoyed the little trip today. I was a bit disappointed I couldn't get the drone up down at Lake Bala. I thought I'd have got it up, but it was a bit too windy and I was a bit don't want to put it under too much stress, but at least we had a ride round. So till the next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, tick like, subscribe, keep this old channel growing. I do appreciate everybody who subscribed and all the comments and everything that I get. So till the next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.